You have -1 point after level 2 of a video game. Your score is 24 points less than your friend's score. Write and solve an equation to find your friend's score after level 2. So first off, I'm going to define my variable. I'm going to say let x equal what I'm looking for, which is my friend's score after level 2. And just like a previous problem, let's see if I can think through this on a number line. So it says right here, you have -1 point after level 2 of a video game. So this right here is your score. You have -1 point after level 2 of a video game. Your score is 24 points less than your friend's score. So my score is less. So if my score is less, it's going to be to the left on the number line, and my friend's score over here is going to be on the right. So I know my friend's score is over here. And my friend's score, I don't have the actual value, but I know it's some number x. So I need to find what this is. And then not only that, but I know your score is 24 points less than your friend's score. So if I take my friend's score and take away 24 points from it, that's going to get me my score. So your score is 24 points less than your friend's score. Or you can think of it as, if I take your score and add 24 to it, that's going to give me the friend's score, which you're going to actually see this step as part of the solution to solving the equation. All right, so let's see if I can get this equation set up. So you have -1 point after level 2 of a video game. So if you read these first two sentences here, they basically tell you what you have in two different ways. So one way to think of this is to think like, okay, well, whatever my score is, it's going to equal my score. On one hand, my score is -1. So I'm going to put that over on the left. On the other hand, your score is 24 points less than your friend's score. So I'm going to take my friend's score minus 24. Remember that anytime you see this less than, you want to flip around this order here. So 24 points less than the friend's score, the friend's score is x, is going to be x minus 24. And notice that makes sense with this number line here. I'm starting with my friend's score, taking away 24, and I'm ending with my score at -1. And I could flip this around. So I can say this x minus 24 is equal to -1. I'm going to add 24 on both sides to get my x by itself. -1 plus 24 would be 23. And I can put units on this. I can say this is 23 points. And let's do the check real quick. So my original equation is x minus 24 equals -1. I think my x value is 23. So I have 23 minus 24 equals -1. And 23 take away 24 is -1. So all this checks out. And let's just make sure, reading the word problem, that this answer makes sense with the word problem. So once again, you have -1 point after level 2 of a video game. Your score is 24 points less than your friend's score. So my friend's score should be 24 points bigger. So it does make sense that my friend's score over here would be at 23. So that if I start with this 23 and take away 24, because my score is 24 points less, that gives me this -1 right here.